So on the outside, there actually is a sign that says "just married." So we'll have to look at that later. But look at the cute little I do's. Look at that, isn't that cute? And it says "always kiss me goodnight." Oh, why am I moving this? It's 360. Hello. So that's on the board there. We've got plenty of water because I gotta have water. And there's a place for a picture. Place for a picture there. Our sign again. Oh, it says, "May I have this dance?" Isn't that cute? And then, oh, I'll make sure I don't lose it.
Don't trip.
Not gonna trip. And our balcony. Yeah, that's pretty. This is pretty. So, little fridge there, yeah? Ugh. And I just need to make sure. You don't leave it in the bag? Or take it out of the bag, maybe? You don't take that out of the bag. I mean, is it going to even fit in there? You have the roll. Can you lay it on its side? Yeah. One goes and then another one goes at the bottom. Alright, let me turn this off.